Today's Ignited Ink writing quick tip is on atmosphere. In her short story, Pretty Monsters, Kelly Link has 3 different stories, which means she needs 3 different atmospheres. If you have a story that's told from multiple points of view, or that's a story within a story within a story, consider using atmosphere to let your readers know whose perspective they are in at any given time. This is one of those point of view tricks that'll help your readers not get confused. To learn more about how Link does this, check out my latest YouTube video, Pretty Monsters, How to Use Atmosphere in Creative Writing. I'm Caitlin Burvey, editor and writer. Good luck igniting your ink.